This durable animal trap cage is made of strong galvanized iron wire mesh to improve rust and corrosion resistance. Completely assembled. When the animal walks in, place the bait on the pedal inside the trap. After it triggers the mechanism, the door is safely closed and the animal is caught. Will not kill the captured animals or cause any harm to them. The captured animals can be easily released. It is not only safe and user-friendly, but also has the characteristics of anti-rust, reusable and durable.